This is a fit for a 2017 and beyond Honda Civic 5-door hatchback. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Evo Clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system. This system is using the WingBar Evo in black, 53 inches in length, the Evo Clamp foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the rubber base pads and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. This is part number 5043. The bars are positioned at 26 3/4 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight load capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the video description link for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.